Hello, lovely students. Today we are going to have a conversation between two friends using different types of adjectives. Let's get started. Good morning, Sarah. You look very happy today.
Good morning. Yes, I'm very happy. I had a good and beautiful morning.
Really? My morning was busy and a little difficult.
Oh no, why?
My car was old and very slow today. The weather was cold too.
That sounds very bad. My new car is very fast and the weather in my area was warm.
Lucky you. Your area is always nice and quiet.
Yes, but today the street was a little noisy.
Are you tired? You look a bit tired today.
Yes, I'm a little tired and hungry.
Let's go to the cafe. It's clean, modern, and the food is delicious and cheap.
Perfect. I love that cafe. The staff in is very friendly and helpful.
And the place is always safe and comfortable.
Great, I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay, but walk slowly. My bag is very heavy today.
Don't worry, I am strong. I can help you.
You are so kind.
You're welcome.